Unraveling the Woven Web, Exploring English Phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating phrase, woven web. This phrase isn't just about spiders and their webs. It has a deeper and more metaphorical meaning in English. So, let's dive in and unravel this interesting expression together. Before we dive into the phrase as a whole, let's break down its parts, woven and web. Woven is the past participle of the verb weave, which means to create something by interlacing threads. It implies a process that requires skill and care. A web, in its most literal sense, refers to the intricate network of threads created by spiders. However, in English, it can also symbolize a complex or intricate network of connections or elements. When combined, woven web takes on a metaphorical meaning. It often represents something complex and intricately structured. This can be a situation or a plot in a story, where things are interconnected in a complex way. Relationships or systems, indicating how various elements are intertwined and dependent on each other. For example, in literature, a woven web of lies might describe a situation where lies are so intricately connected that it becomes complex and difficult to unravel the truth. Let's look at some examples to understand how to use this phrase in different contexts. 1. In literature or movies, the film presents a woven web of intrigue and mystery, keeping the audience guessing until the very end. 2. In daily conversation, navigating the city's bureaucracy is like moving through a woven web of procedures and paperwork. 3. In a professional context, the new software is a woven web of code and algorithms, requiring expert knowledge to modify. English is rich with similar expressions. Here are a few related ones. A tangled web, often used to describe a complicated or problematic situation. A web of lies refers specifically to a complex set of deceptions or falsehoods. Intricate tapestry, similar to woven web, but can have a more artistic or positive connotation. And that's a wrap on the phrase, woven web. We hope this video has helped clarify its meaning and how you can use it in different contexts. Remember, English is full of such intriguing phrases, and understanding them can enrich your language skills. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.